Your YouView box is more than just a TV receiver. It's a smart platform that continuously evolves through regular software updates. Whether you have a BT or TalkTalk version, these updates are essential for optimal performance. YouView boxes come in different versions depending on your provider. BT customers receive the BT branded YouView box, while TalkTalk users get their own version. Despite the different branding, both operate on the same core YouView platform. Regular updates serve three critical purposes. First, they enhance performance by optimizing system resources and reducing loading times. Second, they introduce new features and functionality to improve your viewing experience. Third, they fix bugs and improve system stability. Updates ensure your YouView box remains compatible with popular streaming services like Netflix, BBC iPlayer, and Channel 4. Without regular updates, these apps may stop working or lose functionality as their requirements change. Most YouView updates happen automatically during off-peak hours, typically between 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. This timing ensures updates don't interrupt your viewing and take advantage of lower network traffic for faster downloads. You can also manually check for updates if needed. Simply navigate to Settings, then System Information, and select Software Update. From there, choose Check for Updates to force an immediate check. The update process usually takes between 15 and 30 minutes, depending on the size of the update and your internet connection speed. Once the update is complete, your YouView box will restart automatically to apply the changes. Regular updates keep your YouView box running smoothly and ensure you have access to the latest features and streaming services. While most updates happen automatically overnight, knowing how to manually check for updates gives you control over when your system stays current. When YouView updates occasionally fail, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly and get your box working properly again. If power cycling doesn't resolve the issue, check your internet connection. YouView requires a stable broadband connection with at least 2 megabits per second for updates to download and install properly. Another common cause of update failures is insufficient storage space. Your YouView box needs 15 to 20% free storage space for updates to install successfully. Check your storage regularly and clear temporary files when needed. If all else fails, a factory reset can resolve persistent update problems. This is a last resort option that will reset your preferences, but can preserve your recordings if you choose the appropriate option. For ongoing issues that persist after trying these troubleshooting steps, contact your service provider directly. BT customers can call 0800 800 150, while TalkTalk customers should call 0345 172 0088 for technical support. To prevent update issues and ensure smooth operation, follow these best practices. Keep your box connected to the internet 24/7 for automatic updates, never interrupt updates in progress, and regularly clear your cache through the Settings menu. Staying updated ensures you benefit from the latest features, security patches, and performance improvements. Regular updates keep your YouView box running optimally, providing the best possible viewing experience with enhanced stability and new functionality.